Set your spirit free. When we walk with truth, there is no need to fear what others think about us. We embrace awareness that reputation is based upon integrity and inner knowing. This 11th 13 moons Divine Women's Circle holds the energy and the guidance of the Walks Tall woman who shows us how to be proud of our accomplishments through our self-esteem, not our self-importance. Her color is white, which is going to support our magnetism. We will explore how we can refine our skills of walking our talk, how to use authority and divine will properly. We will have a very special guest, Rae Indigo. She is the creator of Formula Flawless, the world's first completely organic skincare. Come and let us gather to understand new ways how to strengthen our bodies, as stamina and perseverance comes from treating our bodies with care. Beauty, attitude, self-reflection, and spirit, Kundalini Yoga tools and guidance will be shared, as they are the true gifts that bring us tenacity to meet our challenges head-on with a balance of rest, relaxation, and retreat. This is a BOGO offer, sisters. Satnam.